Are you tired of feeling like your money just disappears every month? Do you ever look at your bank account and wonder where it all went? It's a question we've all asked, and for many people, the answer is hiding in plain sight. It's those forgotten subscriptions, those sneaky recurring charges, and a general lack of a clear financial picture. But what if there was an app that could not only show you where your money is going but also help you take back control? That's the exact problem a lot of people faced before they found Rocket Money. We've heard from thousands of users who were once in the dark about their finances, but now they're saving more than they ever thought possible. Take Sarah, for example. She thought she had a handle on her budget, but Rocket Money found 3 different streaming services she was paying for and hadn't used in months. Canceling those saved her over $30 a month, money she was able to put directly into her savings. Or what about David, who was able to negotiate his internet bill down by $15 with just a few taps in the app? He was honestly shocked at how easy it was. These aren't just one-off stories. They're happening every day for people just like you. Rocket Money gives you a complete view of your finances in one place, from your spending habits to your subscriptions and bills. It's a tool that helps you see the full picture, so you can make smarter decisions with your money. And it's not just about canceling things. It's about building a better financial foundation. The app helps you set up personalized budgets, track your progress, and even automatically set aside money for your savings goals. It's the personal finance coach you never knew you needed, right in your pocket. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.